Keeping your home spotless should not feel like a workout, and now it doesn't have to. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 electric spin scrubbers 2025 best for effortless deep cleaning. From powerful motors to smart features and ergonomic designs, these scrubbers are game changers for every corner of your home: bathrooms, kitchens, tiles, and more. If you're tired of scrubbing by hand, these tools are exactly what you need. All product links are in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Taking the first spot is the NBONEBS electric spin scrubber, a powerful and lightweight solution designed to make deep cleaning effortless across your entire home. It is equipped with a robust 25-watt motor that offers 2 cleaning speeds, 400 revolutions per minute for everyday messes and 480 revolutions per minute for heavy-duty grime. Despite its power, it operates quietly at under 50 decibels, allowing for peaceful cleaning even in sensitive environments. The standout feature is its multifunctional rotary pad driver, which includes 6 interchangeable brush heads tailored to various surfaces. Use the round brush for curved bathtubs and toilets, the flat brush for tile floors and grout, the corner brush for tight gaps, and the sponge brush for delicate surfaces like windows. The brush handle is made of durable aluminum and extends from 14 inches to 47.2 inches, making it easy to reach high corners or clean without bending over. Weighing only 1 pound, it is incredibly easy to handle. Even children can operate it with ease. Its long-lasting 3000 mAh battery offers up to 120 minutes of cordless use after just 3.5 hours of charging, giving you complete freedom to move around. Built to handle moisture, it features IPX7 waterproofing and sturdy polypropylene bristles that tackle grime without damaging surfaces. Whether it is your tile floor, bathtub, vehicle, or even poolside area, this scrubber is ready. With its versatility, power, and thoughtful design, the NBONEBS electric spin scrubber is an ideal gift for anyone who wants to clean smarter, not harder. Taking the second spot is the Qimedo electric spin scrubber, a high-powered, intelligent cleaning solution that redefines what deep cleaning can feel like. This advanced scrubber features 3 powerful speed modes, 800, 1000, and a remarkable 1500 revolutions per minute, thanks to an upgraded dual bearing system that far outpaces most typical 380 RPM scrubbers. Despite its immense power, the ergonomic design reduces handle weight by 30%, ensuring a lighter feel during use. What truly sets it apart is the smart display, which shows real-time battery percentage on the left and speed mode indicators on the right, along with battery health monitoring. The adjustable telescoping handle extends to 50 inches, and its brush head tilts 45 degrees, allowing users to clean floors or high walls without straining. The Qimedo comes with 8 interchangeable heads, including 4 soft bristle brushes and 4 cloth pads, all supported by an IPX7 waterproof design that enables full submersion of the brush head. Its 21-volt battery charges fully in just 100 minutes and provides up to 120 minutes of use at medium speed. Plus, the option to use a second battery keeps cleaning going with no downtime. Whether tackling tiles, bathtubs, floors, windows, or shower walls, this tool covers over 99% of household cleaning needs. Elegant packaging and strong customer service make it an ideal gift, while the 2-year warranty ensures long-term peace of mind. The Qimedo electric spin scrubber is a powerful blend of speed, smarts, and comfort. Claiming the third spot is the Bomves electric spin scrubber, a cordless and ergonomically designed powerhouse that transforms household cleaning into a faster, easier experience. Built using feedback from real users and insights from expert designers, this scrubber is engineered for both power and comfort. It runs on a high-capacity 5000 mAh battery that takes only 2 to 3 hours to fully charge and delivers up to 90 minutes of consistent performance. The dual-speed motor offers flexibility with 300 revolutions per minute for light messes and 480 revolutions per minute for heavy-duty grime. Switching between speeds is as easy as a long press, giving you direct control over your scrubbing intensity. One of the most appreciated features is its adjustable length. With 3 handle sizes, 12 inches, 43 inches, and 54 inches, you can easily reach high tiles or scrub floors without bending, making it especially ideal for users with joint or back pain. The brush heads are water-resistant and safe for humid conditions, allowing you to clean bathrooms, kitchens, bathtubs, toilets, tile grout, sinks, and more. Its cordless design removes limitations and increases freedom of movement. The build features a stainless steel and plastic handle for durability, and its slim profile ensures effortless maneuvering around furniture or tight spaces. Whether you're freshening up a carpet, detailing a vehicle, or deep cleaning pool tiles, the Bomves electric spin scrubber is a versatile, time-saving tool made to simplify your entire cleaning routine. At number 4, the Leebein electric spin scrubber earns its place with a powerful blend of performance, comfort, and versatility designed to handle your toughest cleaning tasks. Outfitted with a 30-watt motor, this scrubber delivers 2 speed modes, 300 revolutions per minute for regular cleaning and 400 revolutions per minute for deep scrubbing. Even at higher speeds, it maintains a whisper-quiet operation under 50 decibels, making it ideal for use in shared spaces or at night. The durable polypropylene bristles are strong enough to cut through grime without scratching delicate surfaces, while its IPX7 waterproof rating allows you to rinse brush heads directly under running water for quick maintenance. One of its most practical features is the adjustable stainless steel handle, which extends from 12 to 50 inches. This flexibility makes it easy to reach both high corners and low grout lines without bending, stretching, or kneeling. Weighing just 1 pound, it is exceptionally lightweight and user-friendly for all ages, including the elderly. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it delivers up to 90 minutes of cordless operation after a quick 3-hour charge, giving you the freedom to move throughout your home without being tethered to an outlet. Whether you're scrubbing bathroom tiles, cleaning bathtubs, detailing cars, or polishing hard floors, the Leebein electric spin scrubber provides a reliable and efficient solution. Its durable build, long battery life, and waterproof design make it a smart pick for those who want to clean more effectively with less effort. Next on our list is the Lxlu electric spin scrubber, a powerful and adaptable cleaning tool that rounds out our top 5 with impressive efficiency and thoughtful design. Built with a robust 25-watt motor, it offers 2 effective speed settings, 400 revolutions per minute for daily messes and 480 revolutions per minute for more stubborn grime. Operating at under 50 decibels, it ensures a quiet cleaning experience while delivering powerful performance. What sets this model apart is its versatility, coming equipped with 9 interchangeable brush heads designed for every cleaning scenario. Use the round brush for curved surfaces like bathtubs or toilets, the flat brush for tile and grout, the corner brush for tight edges, and the sponge brush for windows, giving you full control over every area of your home. Its cordless design and long-lasting battery deliver up to 120 minutes of runtime after just a 3.5-hour charge, making it a dependable choice for uninterrupted cleaning. The stainless steel handle extends from 24.8 inches to 47.2 inches, helping you reach ceilings or floor corners effortlessly without bending or stretching. Weighing just 1 pound, it is incredibly lightweight, making it accessible for all ages to use comfortably. The Lxlu scrubber is not only efficient but also makes a great gift, backed by a commitment to reliable customer service. Whether for floors, tubs, walls, or windows, this scrubber is a smart all-in-one solution for anyone aiming to clean faster and easier.